Hello again. So today we're going to do a Belinda's Flourless coconut and chocolate cake from the book Sweet. Konrad's with me again. This one was introduced by one of our own pastry chefs at Ottolenghi. And yes, let's get baking.
Woo! Ready, go!
Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Grease your baking tins well and line them with baking paper.
Lining the tins.
Place your butter, sugar, desiccated coconut, vanilla and salt in your mixer. And beat for about 3 minutes on medium speed, just until it's light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, and beat well after each addition. Reduce the speed to low, add your ground almonds and mix them until just combined. Divide your cake mixture into your tins. And bake them until they're golden brown on top and the cake screw inserted into the middle of the cake comes out clean.
Cake's ready.
Set your cakes aside until completely cooled down and start with the ganache.
Alright, for the ganache. All you have to do is place your sugar and your glucose into a saucepan, low to medium heat, melt the whole thing down and bring it to an amber color. Once you've done that, take the saucepan off the stove and add your water. It will steam a little bit and bubble, but not to worry. Just let it settle. Once it's settled, you put it back on the fire and you bring it to a boil. With that, you basically melt the amber caramel and it's one whole syrupy-like consistency. You can add the vanilla flavoring. When you have done that, you take it off the stove again. Let it cool down a little bit. You pour it over your chocolate. Keep stirring it gently and your chocolate will melt. Once your chocolate is melted, you add the butter step by step in 2 or 3 times. Just keep stirring it until the whole ganache becomes silky and smooth and you're done.
Okay, thanks for showing us how to do the ganache, Konrad.
My pleasure.
There's another train going past. Let's decorate our cakes with the chocolate ganache you just made.
Something like that. Whoop whoop! We finally arrived at the best part of the video. Nikki, do you want to?
That means it's time to actually taste the cake, and that is the advantage living with them too. I always get to taste these lovely cakes.
Yes, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for switching on and see you at the next one. We're going to taste these cakes now.
Can't wait to dig in. Let's cut some.
Well, cheers guys.
Cheers, I hope you enjoy it.
See you next time. Tschüss.
It's really good.
Oh, really nice, yeah. I like it. Oh man, I love baking. I cannot believe it. I love baking, guys.